Welcome to everyone. Today in this video we will discuss how to fix missing or disappearing photos on Samsung A04S. Let's start the video if you want to fix this problem. So first of all, go to app library, click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on apps. After you click on apps, scroll down and search gallery app from here. Click on gallery app, click on storage and click on clear cache. After clear cache gallery app, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, if you want to fix this problem, go to app library, click on files app. After click on files app, click on internal storage and check hidden files from here. After check hidden files, you will see your problem is solved. But if it's still not solved, go to app library, click on gallery app, click on menu and click on recycle bin. So after check recycle bin, you will see your problem is solved. So please subscribe for more new latest videos. Thanks for watching.